Parivartana is a learning space cocooned within Srirangpatna's entrancing greenery. Parivartana undeniably is the best ever possible arena to sharpen the academic and social skills of the future citizens. The school provides well-spread 5 acres campus with modern amenities, making it one of the most sought-after destinations for parents looking for global education standards.
Parents and children, you have a lot of dreams to make the world a changed one. We make your dreams come true. This is Chetan Ram welcoming you to Parivartana.
We are proud to present a strong and determined team of experienced staff, well trained to tackle any academic challenge. Classrooms are spacious, well ventilated, and scientifically designed. The student-friendly learning spaces are created to inspire continued attentiveness and vigor.
I am Anuradha, Principal for Parivartana School.
The kindergarten captures the little one's glee, and life here will be a rollicking joyride for them. Chemistry lab. To test the scientific mind of the student, the school's chemistry lab is rich with latest scientific equipment. Biological lab. The biology lab helps the student to learn intricacies of biological life with the help of latest microscopes and other scientific learning tools. Physics lab. The logical thinking patterns of students are fine-tuned at the physics lab. It is quite convenient here for students to learn complex physics theories effortlessly by conducting a variety of experiments under expert guidance. Robotic. The robotic lab meets all the software and hardware needs with advanced machinery. A trained robotics professional helps the students to decipher intricacies of programming and robotics. Electronics lab. The sophisticated electronics lab is specially designed to encourage students to take a deep interest in electronics as well as come up with innovative ideas. Computer lab. The computer lab is sufficiently arrayed with up-to-the-minute systems rich with latest software. Library. Knowledge matters. The library is well equipped with the latest reference books and periodicals, both Indian and international. Academies. The attention Parivartana invests on the comprehensive development of each child by creating different academies in all possible faculties is inimitable. The all-inclusive academies empower the children to be on top of the world with personality development training, study and exam skills. Kitchen. The hygienic and delicious food is prepared under the guidance of qualified, canteen is spacious and well ventilated. The school gives supreme importance in providing wholesome food. The hostel facilities are congenial for a healthy residential life. Each student enclave has an exclusive and hygienic sanitary unit with 24 hours water supply. Doctor facility. We care. The school has a 24/7 doctor facility to ensure a healthy living and learning ambience for children. Cultural activities. Culture plays a crucial role in a child's social development. The cultural events at Parivartana are flamboyant, brimming with pulsating rhythms of India. We make sure that our children are proud and true to their heritage and traditions. To instill a positive spirit of teamwork as well as upscaling individual excellence, sports has been given its deserving role in the curriculum. All the facilities necessary for students to involve in indoor as well as outdoor sports activities has been arranged. Martial art. A healthy mind resides in a fit body. We have taken extra care in introducing physical fitness in our students' everyday life schedules. Students are trained in martial arts under the strict supervision of masters. Security. We have left no stone unturned as far as the security of our children is concerned. Transport. An efficient and planned transport system with modern fleet of buses helps students reach on time comfortably. Founder and trustee of Parivartana, M. Puttegowda, the chairman. the founder trustee of Om Sriniketana Trust. Mr. Chetan Ram R.A., Dean and Managing Trustee, B.V. Kumar, a born leader who rendered his services in KIADB for most of his years.
A Parivartana means anybody's life or any student's life. It is a change for better.
Parivartana School is not just a certificate issuing school. We create complete personalities to face the competitive world and to emerge successful.
We have a very specific goal that people should tell, oh, school means Parivartana, and Parivartana is the school, and everybody should come here so that empowerment happens so naturally. The tagline for Parivartana is experience the empowerment. Hope you come here and experience the empowerment. Thank you.
Parivartana, we help build a complete personality. Bengaluru Mysuru Road, near Checkpost, Srirangpatna. Phone 08236 253 777. Email Parivartana. Experience the empowerment.